There's a really angry bird back there in the woods. But anyways, welcome to Pedaling Downhill, guys. My wife's here with me today. We are back out at NBL. I don't know about you, but where we live, it's been doing nothing but raining. And we finally said, fuck it, we're gonna get out and ride. We're gonna be careful. If we see giant mud puddles, we're gonna pedal gently. We'll get off and walk where we need to. But we're gonna try and get out there, and there's that crazy bird. But we're gonna try and get out there anyways, even if that crazy bird's telling us not to, and attempt to pedal around in the grease and, you know, have some fun in the mud. Peace out, guys. Enjoy us on the trails. All right, and cue the rain. As soon as we start riding away from the car, I start feeling mist in my face, but I'm not gonna stop. Full disclosure, however, yesterday we did go for a ride. Had a malfunction with the dropper post. Basically thought I was hitting the dropper post, wasn't, actually shifted instead of dropping, and fell off the bike onto my hip and have a pretty nasty stinger. So pedaling is not going to be my strong suit today, but we're gonna try anyway. So today we're gonna start out on the lower yellow section on the lower side of NBL and see how this is as far as drainage goes. I've rode this section a couple of times, not necessarily after rain, but it seems like a part that might drain pretty good, so we'll see if that's true. So far it's good. The spring, the little creek that runs next to it is definitely running well. But it is going to be greasy for sure. Greasy. Wet shoes. We got wet shoes. The only thing Vans are not good for. They're not good at riding in the wetness. Okay. Ooh, made it. Wasn't sure if I was gonna make that climb. Not bad. Brakes are singing today. It's a little bit of off camber and some wet roots here, so this section is definitely challenging. Not undoable, but definitely challenging when it's wet. Whoa, like that one right there. Careful with that root. The water's really moving today. And this is where we're gonna turn left to head up the Pontiac Trail right there. Some days it's not gonna be ideal conditions, some days it's not gonna be perfect and all about speed and style, and sometimes it's just about getting in a ride. And that's exactly what we're doing today. Enjoying the little bit of downhill that we are getting. This is nice. Little stream there. There's another one coming up here. There's a bridge over that one. Everything's riding really good. I mean, the wet parallel routes will get you if you really get lazy, but for the most part, go over that second one and then a little climb here. Not too bad. Don't even need to gear up for that. Just stay right here and just continue climbing. Nice. Very nice. Whoop, couple of roots got a little pushy there. Yeah, if you're not moving with a good amount of speed, those roots tend to redirect where you're going quite easily. Oh boy, here we go, big climb. Getting up out of the saddle. Oh, couple roots. Yeah, dude. Whew. That was a tough climb. Twice my tire slipped right out. Wife and I stopped at the top of this last climb, get some water, It's not crazy hot, but it is humid. Like, sticky. Whew. And I'm gonna let her go out front now for a little bit. You all know I'm questioning the power of these brakes still, so last thing I want to do on a slippery day is be right behind her and then have her stop and me not be able to. Ow. Yep. Pricker bush got me pretty good. Whew. Ow. Damn pricker bushes. I didn't see it because it was whipping back off of your arm, and as soon as I saw it, it grabbed me and I was like, ow, ow, ow. This part's pretty fun. Yikes! A couple of branches across the face. This climb sucks. This climb sucks. Whew. Holy crap. Couldn't quite make it up the other side, it's a little slick. Yeah, it's a rager. This is normally a very small, easygoing stream. Today, it's a little bit more so. No, I'm talking about the stream itself. What kind of a husband would I be if I didn't just stand here and watch? I'd normally be hiking this section on the other bike. This new bike is so amazing, so much better. So many different reasons. Good job. Goofy roots everywhere. Oh, nice. Yeah, the condition of the trails up here is really nice. Nice hard pack. It's definitely greasy, but not too wet. They planned out the climb so it's not so bad. The switchbacks help. My wife is going to take a marching ants run. I'm going to take a pitched fall line run straight to the bottom, and we'll see her when she catches up down there. Here we go. It is going to be slick, so it is not going to be a super fast run, believe me. Oh yeah, it's definitely slick. Wow. Woo. Check up, way up, way up, way up, way up. Yep, there we go. Just gonna follow my wife on a Sasquatch run. You got it, babe. Yeah, let it go. This is that rolly section right here. Yep. It's all super good through here. Owl! Hey, owl! Yeah, I'm a big lover of the Sasquatch descent. It's a lot of fun. It's mainly a climb trail, but the descending on it is a lot of fun. Ooh,
little bit of debris.